You just found the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call for adventure in comfort and style in the bold, spacious Traverse. Its quiet cabin, flexible cargo storage, safety features, connectivity, and all-weather capabilities infuse every drive with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, power liftgate, keyless start, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, rear AC. Stay calm, traverse on. Take a test drive.